Jessica was born with superpowers. She could move almost at the speed of light, but actually it was the opposite for her. Because the world moves too slowly. Because Jessica's father's time is too slow. They weren't even living on the same timeline. So when she was hungry, she had to wait a long time just to drink the milk from her father's hand, with no other option. Her parents called in many doctors, but it was all in vain. The doctors couldn't figure out what was wrong, so Jessica slowly grew up with time. She also felt very lonely growing up. There is not a single person in this world living in the same timeline as her. She realized that if nothing changed, she would be alone for the rest of her life. The next moment, Jessica came up with an idea. She wrote down everything she wanted to say on paper, then have them write their responses on the board. Because her time goes by so fast, it took her a whole week to get an answer. She felt this method was way too slow. With her nimble mind, Jessica quickly came up with a new plan. Since everyone else was too slow to keep up with her, why not find a way to slow herself down? In the next moment, Jessica wrote a letter on paper, asking her parents to read it over and over again. Then using her intelligence, she calculated that the time difference between her and her parents, almost 1,000 times over. After confirming this number, she began to slow her speed down. As time slowly passed, Jessica finally managed to exist on the same timeline as her parents. Her parents cried tears of joy because after all these years, they had never had a proper conversation with her. The three of them hugged tightly. Thanks to Jessica's daily efforts and practice, she finally learned to control her speed freely. She even got a job at a burger shop as a waitress. The burger shop owner was happy every day because Jessica's work efficiency was several times faster than a normal person. The owner of the burger store also paid her the same as a normal person.